In the sun-soaked, bustling streets of Miami, two food trucks battle it out. Caribbean Bites, celebrated for bringing the authentic tropical island flavors, and Latin Sizzle, known for infusing spicy Latin American zest into every dish. These culinary mavens, Pedro and Anna, have taken their passion for food to a whole new level, blending tradition with innovation. Pedro's mango jerk chicken tacos meet their spicy match in Anna's chili lime arepas, a contest of fiery flavors and enticing aromas. The camaraderie between the owners fuels their creativity, pushing the limits with each exquisite bite they serve. Together, they elevate Miami's food truck culture, inspiring patrons to bask in the unique, mouth-watering offerings that define the city's ever-evolving culinary landscape.